Welcome back to my garage. Tonight we'll slam this Malossi Team pipe onto the motorized bike and see what happens. I want to thank Matt and the workshop for the dedicated video. Go check out his YouTube channel. Also, I want you to go check out Hollaendaren's channel. He's building an awesome engine with a hacked together piece of a cylinder. Also, go check out Dighsx Industries channel and his Willys Jeep build, Project Millie. Links in the description. The first thing I'll do is take off the stock pipe and see if the flange will fit on there. If we're lucky, we might just have to massage the holes a bit. If we're unlucky, we will have to make a new flange that will fit this engine. There is a slight mismatch here. A couple of millimeters on each side. This might be a problem because there will be difficult to fit nuts between the hole and the exhaust pipe. So I think what we will have to do is make an adapter . There's no way I can fit bolts or nuts in there because of the angle of the pipe. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to take this old flange that fits, that has the same bolt pattern. I'm going to cut it and just weld this piece onto it. This will add a little bit of header. I don't think that matters in this situation. It's kind of oval, so I'll just use my press. Mig like Tig. I have mentioned it before, but this is just a test bench. I don't recommend you mount your pipe like this. You can do right turns. I haven't touched jetting at all. I'm a bit concerned that this pipe, if it works with a cylinder, that's a big if, we'll push it pretty lean. But we'll fire it up and see how it goes. So, with the Malossi Team pipe, we produced 2.75 horsepower. That's up 0.3 horsepower from last time when we adjusted the ignition to 25 degrees before top dead center. That might be a bit much now. There's a much longer range with high power and much higher RPM. As feared, it was running extremely lean. I had to choke it to get it to idle down after a run. I don't have time for more runs today. I suspect that with a bit less timing and a bit more fuel, we will gain some horsepower. And I know that with higher exhaust timing, this pipe will come more into play. Okay, thanks for watching. Next time we'll continue playing with the pipe, do some jet changes, maybe play with the timing, and maybe some porting. Or that might be the next video after the next video. See you next time.